Yo, what's up, world? How you doing? I hope so you're keeping well. And today's vlog is a driving vlog. I'm gonna show you all around Seminyak today, starting from Petitenget, as you see, Ibis or Jamie restaurant in Petitenget, Seminyak. Jamie delivery and restaurant, not paid endorsement for them. However, that's how it look like. Very peaceful life in Seminyak Petitenget right now. The recording time is about 4 p.m. So situation looks like it is. Pepito, popular in normal conditions. During this time is so busy over here. Also now on the once again the Forge, very famous restaurant on the left, the Forge, and other restaurant over here. In normal conditions they are so busy, really literally super busy. You could watch the sports over there, and there are so many promos, especially on Sunday roast for just 99k or something like that. Not paid endorsement for them anyway. And here is the Kent community there on the right. Pinky restaurant, also very Instagrammable for every lady who have and boys also, some for everyone who is the celebgram, Instagrammer, or whatever you call that, influencer. This place is definitely for you. Unfortunately, during the current conditions, you cannot dine in, so only for takeaway. I'm not sure if you can make any nice picture over there. However, always you could try. And that's how it look like. If you could go, where is this red Mazda come from? There is the residential area of Petitenget, Seminyak. Very nice. There is so many villas, also some small boutique hotels over there also, and some restaurants, stuff like this. Also apartments for rent. I used to live over there for 1 month very long time ago when I was coming as the tourist, so that's how it looked like. Meanwhile, I just want to tell you, as today I record using the car for the safety reasons. To be honest, I'm not, after what's happened to us, to me and Winnie a few weeks ago, I'm little bit don't feel comfortable walking with the camera and stuff like this in some random areas, and especially right now during the current situation is not the best idea. So I hope so you still enjoy my very slow ride, about 20 km/h, sometimes less, sometimes slightly more, something between 15 and 25. Here on the right is Shishi, also very famous bar, club, something like that. I could say it's club. W Seminyak on the left, and somewhere over here will be the forgot the name, Potato Head, somewhere over here. John Hardy, Red Ruby, famous Biku coffee and stuff like this. Everything right now you can see also on the left corner down there on the screen over here. There is the live map, GPS map, so this is 100% accurate. Wherever I go, here is the Potato Head on the right. Wherever I go, the blue dot is showing exactly where I am right now. 100% accurate system. It took me a while to organize this, how to make it for you, but many of you asked me for that. This is a special request. So right now, since today's vlog, you can see how it looks live on the street, how I drive, and also on the map you can see where I am exactly right now. So I think this is super cool. Some of you really asked me for that. I hope so you enjoyed, because yeah, I think it's cool. Alila on the right, Alila Seminyak, Alila Petitenget, and there is the beautiful beach on the right. Unfortunately, all access to the beach in almost everywhere are closed. I'm still thinking about how it looks live in Uluwatu. Long time I didn't been in Uluwatu, and I'm 100% not sure if the beaches are there closed or open. I hear some of them they are open, some of them they are closed. However, I will try to check it maybe next week. Meanwhile, this is the entrance on the right to the famous Petitenget beach. Unfortunately, you are not allowed to go there. There is only city parking. And here we go. This is the area on Vin Plus on the left, and Neon Palms, Sea Circus on the right, and this is already small street going to the Motel Mexicola. As you see, some tourists over here even walking, actually 2 guys. Motel Mexicola, as you see, is just closed. I'm not even sure if they are open for takeaway, because obviously this is kind of business what's most likely people going there to chill, enjoying their time, having lunch, beers, drink, stuff like this inside, not ready to take away. And anyway, on the right, on the left, you can see some tourists also walking here, and there are some hotels, the Sands Hotel, and on the right they are kind of villas or luxury residence. Actually, I'm not 100% sure, so if you may be more familiar, just let me know. But they are somehow villas. On the left right now is the Warung Gmina, Seminyak, Petitenget. Long time ago, I have lots of memories. Used to having a radler there and listen the live music, but that was circa 2015 maybe or something like that. Long time ago, but great memories. Here's some shopping, some small shops, boutiques. You could buy some stuff, and basically I'm driving today around, so I want to show you all around Seminyak, starting from Petitenget and going to the main street in Seminyak and finishing somewhere. I'm not sure actually where I'm gonna finish yet, but somewhere into direction going to Legian. So here we go, going now into the mall, what is in Seminyak on the right, and this is the Bosman on the left, the famous place, famous restaurant. And here we go. If you don't know, Seminyak have also small shopping mall. It's actually here on the right, as you see. Unfortunately, all the malls are also closed, so that's how it look like. And here we go, now heading into the most famous street in Seminyak, and so many nice shops, restaurants. This is the heart of the center of the Seminyak. So many restaurants, so many bars, clinics, shops, apotheques, every kind of business what you would like to imagine is on the street, including the La Favela famous bar and stuff like this, or red carpet, what we make a vlogs already a few times. Well, in La Favela not, but in red carpet yes. Also some hotels and so many restaurants and shops and massage parlors. Everything is on the street. And I could say it's actually quite busy right here, right now. It's the song like this. But Ultimo restaurant, everything, it's kind of busy, but I think this is the delivery time. But as you see here, some restaurants, rumors, everything is just simply closed or eventually open only for takeaway delivery. So it's not so busy in general. However, some cars, some people strolling around. Obviously this is area also famous for so many shops, so maybe the people going shopping like a Bamboo Blonde. If you would like to buy some dress for yourself, ladies, or gift for your wife, girlfriend, partner, great place. Not paid endorsement for Bamboo Blonde anyway. However, that's how it looked like. Oh, something happened with my map, but it's come back. This is going live, so I didn't have time to edit the map, so if it's something like small error, I'm so sorry about that, but in general it's pretty accurate. Here's some shopping strolls, also renovations, the constructions. And here you go, on the right is La Favela and on the left is red carpet. Well, obviously super empty. In red carpet have some sort of renovation, I think, right now. Here is some shops, gelato factory, stuff like this. In general, you will see people strolling on the bikes, driving on the bikes and cars, some people parking, like this guy with his BMW right here, or this guy is walking, but in general, not many people strolling around, more likely driving, and more likely there are some kind of renovations, deliveries and stuff like this. And that's how it looks, the situation. So basically, if you're gonna go straight all the time, it's gonna be Petitenget, Seminyak again, over again, and you can go to the Sunset Road as you see on the map right here. But we're gonna go here, alright, and this is the one very long street heading to Seminyak, passing the rest of the Seminyak, South Seminyak, Legian Street up to Kuta. So it's the very long straight street. But as you see also on the map, the on the left is already Sunset Road, which is the Sunset Road is new road, and this road what we are driving now, that was the original very old road. And here are some also the businesses. I think that's it for today's vlog. Next time I will try to show you the Seminyak Legian Street. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you like it.